So now we are talking with Florian Rüdisser, the editor of the manual. So Flo, you are editing a backpack journalism manual. So please tell me something about this book. Why are you doing this?
Miss Hatcher, thank you for inviting me to your show. Yeah, we are doing this handbook because we are right now in 2010 we are developing this method of backpack journalism, and we very much believe that it is in the spoken word, in the peer-to-peer teaching of the methods that we are developing. But of course, we also want something that the people can take with them. That they're once they hit the road, they're going on a trip, they are doing a report or something. They can take it with them, and they find all the knowledge in there.
And when did you start to write this book?
Our first initial meeting was in February of 2010, where people of 6 countries met for the first time, and right there we decided actually what should be in the booklet, what should be in the handbook, and then we distributed the chapters among the participants of this very initial meeting.
So what will be the content of the book? Which chapters will be in it?
Yeah, there is 3 chapters in this book. The first one is about the basics of journalism, the basics of civil journalism and backpack journalism, which is a very specific form that we are developing here. So it treats on what is the role of the journalist going out and telling the people what's happening, trying to reveal some secrets or reveal the truth or trying to be objective. This whole thing is of course not easy, because what is truth, what is reality, it's a very subjective thing. So this chapter deals to find out and to establish a certain basic that you can work on. Second chapter is about the equipment. So of course there is hundreds of tools in our world nowadays. We all use technology every day, but this chapter it tries to bring some light on the means that the journalist uses. But it also it should more be viewed as a starting point. So we give you some, in this handbook we try to give you some basic knowledge about equipment, and that's right where you start off and use it. And the third and final chapter is about organizational social skills, because we very much believe in teamwork and in let's say editorials. And you need to know how to organize not only one article, let's say, or one to publish something, but also how you work together and how you develop projects that deal maybe with certain aspects that you want to talk about.
When you will publish this book?
Yeah, the book will be published more or less exactly 1 year later, in February of 2011. There will be like deadline for writing the articles and having also the having it spell checked and so on, and proofread. And right after that it will be sent to the print machine, and the first handbooks will be available in the camp in Romania in the April of 2010.
Okay, thank you so much.
Warmly welcome, thank you for having me.